Now friends, this is the another activity to show the current can pass through the liquid. So first of all, question arises, can the current flowing through the liquids? So we perform an activity to show that current is passing or not passing through the liquid conductors. For performing this activity, we need a transparent container, some amount of water, salt, and a battery. Okay. First of all, we put a battery into the water. See, nothing happens. Now we remove the battery from the water and we add some salt into the water and mix it properly. When the salt is dissolved into the water, after that we again put the battery into the salty water. Now see, bubbles are formed at the positive as well as the negative, and you also see that the bubbles from the positive terminal will be more as compared to the negative terminal. So these are the hydrogen gas and this is the oxygen gas. So the water compound will be break into the oxygen ions as well as the hydrogen ions. Okay, and according to the chemical formula of water, it is H2O. So the bubble gas will be twice the hydrogen gas, and after some time the color of the salty water will be changed due to the chemical reaction. So by doing this activity, it is proved that the current can pass through the liquid conductors or the liquids. Okay, the current will flow through the liquids on the basis of with the help of the ions. These are the positive ions and the negative ions. When we dissolve the salt into the water, then it breaks into the sodium positive ions and chloride negative ions, Na plus and Cl minus. That's why the current will be possible to pass from these two terminals of the battery through the liquids, and this process is known as the electrolysis. In this process, the positive electrode will be dissolved into the electrolyte or the liquid conductor, and the dissolved material will be deposited on the negative terminal. So this is known as the electrolysis. So teachers, we can do these type of simple activities within the classroom so that the children can easily understand the different topics or the concept of the physics which are tough to understand directly by the lecture, but when they see the activities or performance of the different concept, they easily understand the top concepts of the different difficult, which are difficult to understand by explanation, but they can easily understand by the performance or the activities. Okay, so thank you very much.